Hi there, students. To put the genie back in the bottle, you can't put the genie back in the bottle. Okay, generally in the negative. Okay, this is an idiom meaning to revert a situation, to bring it back to the situation that there was in the future. Yeah, we can also say the genie is out of the bottle, or they let the genie out of the bottle. Um, okay, so to attempt to put a situation back to the way it formerly was. Yeah. Um, okay, you can't. So once something gets out, very often there's nothing you can actually do to stop it. So, for example, internet has some really good things, but it has some really bad things as well. But at the point we are at now, you can't put the genie back in the bottle. Yeah, you can't suddenly say no more internet because it's just not going to work. Um, the government tried to hide the scandal, but eventually the genie was out of the bottle, and a journalist got to know about it. So they did everything they could to put the genie back in the bottle, but you can't put the genie back in the bottle once the secret's out. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. Many people are lament the fact that social media take up huge amounts of attention of young people, but you can't put the genie back in the bottle. Yeah, no one is going to be able to put that particular genie back in the bottle. Nobody's going to be able to go back to a situation where this didn't exist. Okay, and this is the idea of to put the genie back in the bottle. Nearly always it's in the negative with this phrase, you can't put the genie back in the bottle, because the genie has got out of the bottle. So let's see. A genie is a magical spirit, originally in traditional Arab stories. You know Aladdin and the lamp, and he rubs the lamp. Yeah, and the genie comes out of the lamp. Yeah, and the genie does good things, but the genie can also do bad things. And once the genie's out of the bottle, you can't make it go back in again unless it wants to. Okay, so this is the idea of putting the genie back in the bottle. Um, Now that you've told her that you're head over heels in love with her, it's going to be very difficult to put the genie back into the bottle. Yeah? So if the genie is out of the bottle, something has happened, and there is nothing you are going to be able to do to stop it. So yes, for example, once the first person got this COVID virus, then we were going to have an epidemic. You can't put the genie back in the bottle. Yeah. Okay. So as to origin, well, this word, this genie, it comes from genie or jinn from Arabic. I'm sure there are people who could give me a much better explanation of this word. Yeah, a jinn, a being that's normally invisible to the human eye. Yeah, and it's magic, but bound to obey the person who owns its container, its bottle. Yeah, and this is the idea, putting the genie back in the bottle. So, yeah, there are many things nowadays, unfortunately, where you can't put the genie back in the bottle. Yeah, but maybe with all this CO2 in the atmosphere, it's going to be very difficult to put the genie back in the bottle, because it's wonderful to burn fossil fuels and keep warm. But we're going to have to do something about all that CO2. I don't think we're going to be able to put the genie back in the bottle. As to formality, I think I would give it a 5 informality. I think use it informally, definitely. I think you could use it in an informal writing. I think maybe something very formal, it's probably a little bit informal for that, because it's an idiom. But apart from that, use it almost anywhere. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To put the genie back in the bottle, to let the genie out of the bottle.